In an age before the internet and social media, the medieval world was a tapestry of myths, misconceptions, and misunderstandings. Welcome to Map of Medieval Misinformation, the Primetime of Paranoia, where we delve into a time when the unknown was often more terrifying than any monster or myth. The medieval period, spanning roughly from the 5th to the 15th century, was a time of frequent uncertainties and fears. Without the widespread scientific knowledge we take for granted today, people often relied on a mix of folklore, religious belief, and superstition to make sense of the world around them. Imagine a world where dragons roamed the outskirts of maps, sea monsters lurked just beyond familiar waters, and the map itself declared, "Here be dragons." One source of misinformation was the Mappa Mundi, medieval European maps filled with fascinating inaccuracies. These maps mixed geography with mythology, a reflection of a world where the boundary between reality and imagination was blurred. It was on these very maps that places like the kingdom of Prester John took shape. Prester John was a legendary Christian monarch said to rule a utopian kingdom full of riches and wondrous creatures. Despite numerous expeditions, his kingdom never materialized on any subsequent maps, serving as a powerful symbol of how myth could trump reality in medieval thought. Paranoia also fueled persecution, as seen in the witch hunts that gripped Europe. Just as mapmakers filled empty spaces with monsters, societies filled gaps in understanding with fear, leading to tragic outcomes. The belief in witches ordinary people, mostly women, accused of wielding dark power led to trials and executions, a grim testament to how misinformation bred fear and cruelty. Medical myths were prolific as well. Remedies involved strange concoctions and superstitions. Without the benefit of germ theory, illnesses were often attributed to imbalanced humors or evil spirits. In one infamous instance, the bubonic plague, or Black Death, was blamed not only on foreigners, but also on celestial events, bad air, or divine punishment, an example of how unknown causes led to misguided attempts at explanation. As we reflect on these medieval misconceptions, we see echoes of them today, in how quickly misinformation can spread and take hold, sowing fear and division. History teaches us the power of skepticism and the value of critical thinking. By learning from the past, we equip ourselves to better navigate a world still filled with unknowns, not by coloring maps with monsters or blaming mysterious ailments on witchcraft, but by seeking truth and understanding. Thus, while "Here be dragons" might remain a romantic relic of the past, we must remember that the real monsters are often those born from ignorance and fear. Let this serve as a reminder to keep the lamp of knowledge burning brightly, lighting our path through the uncertainties ahead.